15th one, write a Python program to get the frequency of elements in a list. Write a Python program to get the frequency of elements in a list. Means how much how many elements are there and how many repeated elements. We want to know the repeated elements count number. Okay, how many elements are repeated in a list here. So for this we will use here simple already doing import collections. We have to import collection module here. In collection module, we have there is a counter subclass is there. You see, sub counter subclass of dictclass. So dictionary means subclass for counting hashable items, sometimes called bag or multiset. Elements are stored as dictionary keys, and their counters are stored as dictionary values. Okay, so the elements are there it's stored as keys, and their values are stored as repeated counting. How many number? Okay, it returns a number. Okay, how many elements are there? How many same elements are there in a list here? Okay, value. We'll see the we'll execute here. So here list of the here, enter list here. Suppose 10 comma 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 30 comma 50. Okay, we enter the list elements here. So here how 10 how many repeated 2. Okay, 21 32 51. Okay, so see the output here. Invalid syntax. Okay, one input enter list. No list here 10 comma 10 comma 20 comma. Just execute again. What's the all one list here? Okay, 10 comma 20 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 40. See, the original list here is 10 20 20 30 40 40. How many repeated 10 here? 10 stored as a keys and the value stored as 10 1 here. Okay, or value means how many repeated one. If repetition in a list element is the same one only. 20 repeated 2 times and 40 repeated 2 times here. 30 repeated 1 time here. Okay, counting the repeated elements here. Counting the counter class is to count the repeated elements in a how many repeated elements in a list here. Okay, so the list elements taken as a keys and the count taken as a value, and the list element count is taken as a value. Okay, simple program with frequency. If you want to know the frequency of the elements, list elements. Okay, how many elements are repeated. If you want to return the count, if you want to return the count value of the repeated elements, we have to use this counter class. Okay, in the collection module will be there it is.